Let me ask you this. How many of you have ever asked yourself, I'll start learning this skill maybe tomorrow, maybe after exams, maybe after internship. You open Instagram, you see somebody doing it flawlessly and think that you can never do it. We keep pushing it off because we think that it'll take years to get good at it. Wait, let me drop you a truth bomb. You don't need 10 years, you don't need 5 years, you just need 20 hours. Yes, you heard it right. You just need 20 hours. That's it. Stick around, I'll prove it how. Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Subhalakshmi. Wait a minute. If you're new here, quickly hit that subscribe button to become jack of all trades but master of none, but oftentimes better than one. In this video, we are going to clear a myth once and for all. You might have heard people say it takes 10,000 hours in order to become an expert. And the moment that you hear that, your brain goes like, But here's the truth. That 10,000 hour rule came from research on world-class experts like the legendary musicians, athletes, Olympia champion, top 1% of the 1%. So yes, if you want to become the next Sachin Tendulkar or Elon Musk in your field, you probably need those 10,000 hours. But if you're like, bro, we don't want to become the next world-class champion, we just want to play that one Bollywood song on the guitar to impress our crush. So just stop scaring yourself with that 10,000 hour myth. For regular humans like us to just become good enough, not world-class expert, just to be confident enough to use that in your practical life, you don't need 10,000 hours. You just need 20 hours. I repeat, just 20. That's it. Think about your own life. Remember the first time you used Canva or Photoshop when those new editing apps were entering into the market. At first you were like, why are there 200 buttons? Which one is for cropping and which one is for ruining my life? But after a few days of practice, you realized that 3 to 4 tools were working for you. You made a poster that actually looked good enough or aesthetic. And suddenly people were like, bro, could you please design a poster for my event too? That's it. You did not become a professional graphic designer, but you became good enough to either get compliments or even get paid. And that's the power of those first 20 hours. With 20 hours of practice, you can go from I have no idea what this button does to actually editing an aesthetic reel. You want to learn public speaking? 20 hours of practice. You'll go from shaking on the stage to delivering a confident presentation in your college. It's practice. It's not magic. Step 1. Deconstruct the skill. Start with the basics first. Remember this, most skills are just a bundle of smaller skills. Break them down, it'll feel less overwhelming. Step 2. Learn enough to correct yourself. Don't waste your time reading 20 books, 50 tutorials. Instead, pick 2 to 3 resources and start practicing. That's where the real learning happens. Not by watching those motivational videos, by lying on your bed and just never starting. Step 3. Remove distractions. We are very good at that. Good at being distracted. Even telling your friends, bro, don't call me for Ludo King right now, I'm practicing. Create an environment where practice becomes the easiest option. Because if you don't, distractions are going to eat away your 20 hours before even starting. And lastly, step 4, commit those 20 hours. Promise yourself, even if I'm feeling dumb, I will still not quit before I'm done with 20 hours. Think of it like this. 20 hours of practicing reels is equals to you going from awkward hand gestures to smooth transitions. 20 hours of practicing Canva and you become that one friend in the college who everybody calls the designer. It's that simple, macha. But here's the real problem though. The reason most of us quit learning is not because it's hard. It's because how we feel. The fear of failing, the fear of looking stupid, the fear of embarrassment, the fear of judgment. The first few hours of learning something new is horrible. Imagine trying to edit a video, you click one wrong button and boom, your whole project disappears. That has happened to me personally. My 3 hours of editing effort went in vain. But once you push through, you'll realize it's not that hard. You need to just overcome that frustration barrier and you will see that it gets faster. Here's the truth. Learning is no more about degrees and years of training. It's about speed, curiosity, adaptability, and mindset. The ones who grow fast today are the ones who pick up the new skills quickly. And the crazy part, Every skill that you learn compounds. Let's say the first 20 hours you're learning video editing, the next 20 hours copywriting, the next 20 hours content creation, or the next 20 hours public speaking. Within a year, you're not just good at one thing. You're a powerhouse of skills that everyone else is just dreaming about. So here's my challenge for you. Pick up that one skill that you have been putting off and commit 20 hours right from today. If you break those 20 hours, it's just 1 hour per day. And hey, if you do this, come back to the same video after 1 month or once you're done with the challenge and tell me what skill did you learn. I want to hear your stories. So what's stopping you? Go start the 20 hours now, and if you're still watching this video, I really appreciate your attention span because you're already on the right track. And if you like this video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe my channel,